Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 37. Alright, we are going to start with some sounds. Let's see if you can say all of these sounds without making a mistake. Some of the sounds are sounds that you have to say fast, so remember, don't let them fool you. Okay? Let's get started. You're going to say the sounds. Get ready? Yes. E. Get ready? Yes. R. Get ready? Yes. Eh. Get ready? Yes. Eh. Get ready? Very good. D. Get ready? Yes. A phone. Get ready? Yes. R. Get ready? Yes. D. All right, I want you to go back from the bottom to the top. Get ready? 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 Good, you said all of the sounds, even the fast ones. Great job. Alright, this screen is blank, but you're going to watch and we're going to say some sounds, some words slowly, and then say it fast. First, you're going to say it slowly without stopping between the sounds. Then you're going to say the word fast. Listen. On. Listen again. On. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Now say it fast. Yes. On. Listen. Ram. Again. Listen. Ram. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Ram. Good job saying the word slowly and then saying it fast. Now you're going to start with the sound and rhyme with ear. Tell me what sound you're going to say first. Get ready? Yes. What sound are you going to say again? Very good. After you say the sound, then what will you say? Yes, ear. Let's do it together. Get ready? Fear. Again, get ready? Fear. Say it fast. Yes, fear. You rhymed with ear. Fear and ear rhyme. All right, we're going to say this sound. What sound is this? Yes, D. What sound are you going to say again? And what will you say after you say the sound? Ear. Let's do it together. D, ear. Your turn. Get ready? Again. Get ready? Say the word fast. Yes, deer. You rhymed with ear. Deer. Do fear and deer rhyme? They do. Very good. Okay, we're going to play the cross-out game again. But first, let's go over all of our sounds one time, and then we'll play the cross-out game. Let's do it together. Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? D. Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Your turn to say all of the sounds. If you get them correctly, then we can cross them out. Okay? Get ready? Very good. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. D. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. 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 You did such a good job on the cross-out game. We were able to cross out all of the sounds. Now you're going to read this word. But first, we need to sound it out, and then you will say it fast. What sound are you going to say first? Yes. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. All right, sound it out. Get ready. Again, sound it out. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes, if. You read the word if. If it is sunny, we can go outside. If. Great reading. You're going to read this word. First, you're going to sound it out, and then you'll say it fast. What sound are you going to say first? Get ready. Yes. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. What sound is next? Yes. Now, I want you to sound it out. Get ready. Again, remember, we're not stopping between the sounds. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Miss. You read the word miss. Did you see the catcher miss the ball? Great job. Here's another word that you're going to read, but first we need to sound it out. What sound are we going to do first? Yes. What sound do we go next? Yes. E. Do we say this sound? No, we do not say the little sound. So what sound do we say next? Yes. D. All right. Sound it out. Get ready. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Read. You read the word read. You know how to read. this word. All right, now after you read the next word, I'll show you a picture, but you have to read this word before. I'll move down the arrow and stop under the sounds, but don't say the sounds out loud. Just figure out what you're going to say. Sound it out in your head. Get ready? Again, sound it out in your head. Get ready? Say it fast. Yes. What word? Yes. Am. Good job. The man in the picture will say, "You know who I am." Let's listen. Do you know who this is? Yes, Santa Claus. He is saying, "You know who I am. I am Santa Claus." The red part of the words are the same, so these words rhyme. Let's sound it out. Get ready? Your turn to sound it out. Get ready? Again, sound it out. Get ready? Say it fast. Yes, am. What sound are you going to say first? Yes, S. Then you're going to say am. Remember, first you'll say S, then you'll say am. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes, Sam. Sam rhymes with am. What sound are you going to say here? Get ready? Yes. R. Then you're going to say am. Listen. Ram. Your turn. Get ready? Again. Get ready? Say it fast. Yes. Ram. Ram rhymes with am. So am, Sam, and ram all rhyme. Okay, get your worksheet. Make sure you have your worksheet so that we can do our word together. Put your finger on the big black dot and let's sound out this word. Get ready? Ram. What word? Yes, ram. Let's sound it out again. Ram. Say it fast. Very good. Now, don't forget to match up your sounds here. Make sure you draw nice, neat lines. Do you think if you do your lines like this, that your teacher is going to be able to know where your lines are going? No. So make sure when you use your pencil, you are making nice, straight lines from one sound to the next, okay? Over here, what sound are you going to cross out today? Yes. Are you going to cross out the r? No, don't get tricked. Make sure you pay attention to what sounds are on here and only cross out the on the bottom. Find your black dot and trace the dotted line. See what you're going to find on the picture. Once you are done with this part of your worksheet, you can color in the picture. Alright, turn your paper over. On the back of your worksheet, you have two sounds that you are going to practice writing. How many times are you going to write the sound on the first row? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are going to write the R sound 8 times on this row. And how many times do you think you're going to write it on this row? Yes, 8 times. What sound are you going to write on this one? Yes. Make sure you're being very neat so we can read your handwriting. On the bottom of your worksheet, you have to fill in the sound that is missing in the box. What sound are you going to put beside the football? Yes, ah. What sound are you going to put beside the flower? Yes, e. What sound are you going to put beside the bug? Yes. What about the sound? What are you going to put beside the glove? Yes, d. Make sure you fill in all of the missing boxes with the sound. Hooray for today! You just finished your lesson 37. Good job today, boys and girls.